Thank you for sticking around my channel. Happy Independence Day to all the Indians and Pakistanis, and like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Reports claim that Xiaomi 13.3 and Xiaomi 13.3 Pro will be launching on September 1st globally. A new leak has appeared showing the camera specification of Xiaomi 13T Pro. The leak suggests that it will be a tweaked version of the Redmi K60 Ultra, which was launched yesterday. According to the tipster, Xiaomi 13T Pro will feature a 20 megapixel IMX596 camera on the front for selfies and video call. The Xiaomi 13T Pro rear setup will be IMX700 750 megapixel primary camera instead of the 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel camera available on the Redmi flagship. The 13T Pro will offer a OmniVision OV13B ultra-wide camera and OV50D 50 megapixel telephoto camera. Rest of the specs will be the same as the Redmi K60 Ultra. The Xiaomi 13T Pro is expected to feature 6.67-inch OLED screen with 1.5K resolution and 144Hz refresh rate. It will run Android 13 based MIUI 14. Under the hood, it will have a Dimensity 9000 Volt Plus chipset with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of storage. It will have 5000 mAh battery with 120 watts fast charging. It's expected to come with dedicated display chip, in-screen fingerprint sensor, dual stereo speakers, X-axis linear motor, and IP68 rated chassis.